this is your first time here, I would love for you to subscribe because this channel is all about creativity and inspiration. I hope you feel inspired to create something amazing. Feel free to share the inspiration because life is a journey we make together. And now I'll show you how this Shabby Chic project was done. Now to do Shabby Chic, you have to lay a base coat down. And I actually like to do it in kind of this a little off-white or beige or cream or something different than the top coat, which needs to be white. And then I'll mix it with 50-50 grout. I'm mixing up the Shabby Chic whitewash that I use. And how I do this is I use the non-sounded grout. So we're going to mix it about 50-50 with water and kind of make it into a paste. And this is the bright white. I'm going to start with about that much. You can always add more water, so just go slow. So I like that consistency a lot, so I think I was right on with the water. And I think it took a little less than 50%, so. But now we're going to add the white paint to this. And that's probably, you know, double this measurement, so probably up to about here. Nice bright white is really great, and I actually like to use flat. Just a tad bit more water. Still a little too thick. That's it, right there. You might have to play around with your brushes a little bit to see what you like the best. Kind of like the stiffer brush, but some cases this softer brush is good too. Gather all your accessories up. This is the time to do it. You have everything out. So I kind of save up a few little pieces and do the same technique. It's so fun. This is a great piece. I'm gonna make this into a clock. Cute. So I have my item already Shabby Chic'd, and now what I want to do is just kind of add some detail, add some of the aged look. This is CC Caldwell's, this is a clear wax, and this is the aging dust, and it's really great. But what I first like to do is I like to take my brush that I'm going to be using and kind of go around and kind of see how it feels, if it's too big, if it's too small. I'm going to be using one for the wax, and I kind of like a smaller, thinner with the tip for the detail. So I kind of like go around, brush it, and say, yep, that works great. Then take some of your clear wax. Doesn't take very much. on your brush at one time, and you want to just the recessed areas, just where you want a little bit of the aged look to be. So I'm going to continue with the wax. Not a lot, you know, it kind of has a tendency to look, I think, a little dirty to me if you get too much, but I do like in the real recesses of areas. It says it dries within about 10 minutes, so you've got about 10 minutes to kind of put the wax on. I'm going to show you here just a little bit of this area that I just put the wax on. You can blow it off, brush it off, use a toothpick. Just kind of want it in the grooves. Don't really want it on the white part. I've also taken some white paint. If I have any of the non-sanded grout Shabby Chics left, then I kind of do a dry brush over it. But I like this here. And another place that really is great to add this aging dust to, the wax first, is just around any little kind of grooves, any indents. Again, I really like a small brush to put the wax on. In this final step, I took the paper towel and just really wiped it down. I like it. So the next step of making my clock is I'm going to actually hang it from one of the deals that holds a frame or a mirror or whatever it held. I'm going to have this space in between, so I'm just going to add some of this rose trim. It'll be perfect. Love my power tack. So I think any wire that will twist will be fine. I happen to have some of this.